Experts are recommending people to immediately stop taking their phones to the bathroom.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
If you own a smartphone, chances are that you bring it with you to the bathroom sometimes. Once upon a time, bathrooms had magazines to entertain you while you sat on the toilet. But nowadays, everyone surfs the internet. However, experts warn that this common habit could be endangering your health. Believe it or not, the dirtiest thing in your home is not the toilet, it's your mobile phone. When researchers measured the average dirtiness of a surface using a tool known as an ATP meter, they found that a cell phone comes in at around 900, whereas a toilet seat comes in at around 200 on the ATP meter. Keep in mind, an ATP reading of over 300 means the surface is at risk of spreading an illness. Now, you can imagine just how bad a reading of 900 is, but are you really surprised? When you think about it, we're always touching our phones, and we don't wash them as often as we wash our hands. And even when we do wash our hands, we touch our contaminated phones right after, which might be the dirtiest surface you touch all day. If you rarely clean your smartphone, it's probably birthing its own bacteria by now. Metro UK asked 3 scientists about the dangers of spending quality time with your phone in the bathroom, and what they had to say will definitely change your habits. Taking the phone to the bathroom exposes you to all sorts of germs, such as Salmonella, E. coli, and C. difficile. The reason why is because if you wipe yourself, touch the flush handle or the door handle, and then touch your phone right after, there's a big chance you're transferring nasty germs onto your device. And even if you do wash your hands, it's not like you're disinfecting the germs on your phone. When you flush the toilet, tiny droplets may land on your phone. Spray could travel around 6 feet from the flush. Hygiene expert Lisa Ackerley told Metro. That's why you shouldn't leave your toothbrush close to the toilet. Theoretically, you could flush the toilet and tiny droplets could drift up and land on your phone or on a surface your phone might touch. If you thought things couldn't get any more gross, keep watching. These germs can survive on your phone for a couple of days. Phones heat up a little bit, giving bacteria a nice warm environment. Ron Cutler, director of biomedical science degrees at Queen Mary University, London, said, "If people handle sweets and leave a sticky coating on the phone, there's an even better place for bacteria. The levels are generally speaking quite small, but you can contaminate your hands pretty badly without trying too hard." Ackerley said there are ways you can enjoy the entertainment of your phone while in the bathroom, but it will take a conscious effort. Read the book or phone in your right hand, then transfer to the left. Wipe with your right, flush with the right, carry the phone or book out in your left hand without touching anything else, and then wash your hands. Be aware of what your hands are touching. If you wipe your butt, then pick up your phone, you may as well not bother washing your hands because all the bacteria you put on your phone will end up back on your hands. They might be your germs, they might be somebody else's from the flush. That being said, I think it's safe to assume that the best way to protect ourselves is to leave the phone in your bag or outside of the bathroom. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.